This might come as no surprise to you, but most red light therapy devices that are being offered for home usage don't actually work. There's an unfortunate trend happening in the red light therapy space where a lot of companies are using clinical studies as evidence for why their products work, but in reality, the products that they're selling are nothing like the ones that are being used in these clinical studies. Now, the reality is most red light therapy devices, even the most expensive ones, won't get you the results that you're after because they're going to be missing one or many of the 4 specifications that I'm going to be telling you about in this video. Now, the good news is you can get results with red light therapy. You just need to know what you're looking for. So if you're planning on spending a couple of $100s on a red light therapy device, then by watching this video until the end, you can ensure that you don't waste your money on the wrong product. So the very first thing that you need to look at is the red light therapy device's light intensity. Now, light intensity is simply a measurement of how much light energy you are getting from your device. And this is unfortunately one of the first corners that gets cut with home red light therapy devices. They will use a highly underpowered device that will never give you the same light energy that you would get from one that is used in these clinical studies. So you want to get a device that gives you around 100 milliwatts per centimeter squared at the treatment distance. The second thing to look for is the wavelength of light. So red light therapy doesn't use just any type of light. It uses very specific frequencies within the red and near infrared spectrum. So you want to look for a device that gives you red somewhere between 600 and 700 nanometers and near infrared somewhere between 800 and 900 nanometers. Now, it's very important that when you get a red light therapy device, it has a combination of both red and near infrared light, because although these types of light have the same effects on your body, they penetrate to different depths. Where the red light is absorbed primarily by your outer tissues, the near infrared penetrates a little bit deeper. So by having a device that is a combination of both of these, you can ensure that you get the best results because it's going to cover the largest amount of tissues in your body. The third thing to look for when choosing a red light therapy device is electromagnetic fields, also known as EMFs. So EMFs are emitted by any electronic device, but overexposure to these types of fields has been shown to cause oxidative stress within your cells. So if you're doing something healthy like red light therapy, you don't want to be taking 3 steps forward and 1 step back. Yes, you are now being exposed to healthy red and infrared light, but if at the same time you're also being exposed to EMFs, that's going to cause oxidative stress within your cells, and as a result, you're not going to see as much benefit. The fourth thing to look for when choosing a red light therapy device, and if you don't see this, it's a big red flag, is a customized protocol. As soon as you look into the clinical studies on red light therapy, you will see that different benefits have different protocols. You will use a different protocol if you're trying to increase your hair growth or to improve your sleep quality or reduce neuropathy symptoms. All of these have different protocols, and if the red light therapy company is not afraid to compare their devices to the ones used in these clinical studies, they will give you a specific protocol for a specific benefit. Now, even if you have the best red light therapy device out there, you might not see results if you're making one of the common mistakes that people make when using red light therapy devices. Now, I've created a video where I cover what these common mistakes are, and I'll leave a link above here so you can go and check that out. And that'll ensure that even if you have the best device, you can make sure that you're not making one of these mistakes, and then you will actually see the results that come from red light therapy. If you want to check out some of the best red light therapy devices out there, then I'll leave a link in the description of this video. The Mitochondria products, they match all the specifications so that they are the same quality as those used in the clinical studies. And they have a 60-day trial period, so you can literally guarantee your results. You can try that device for 60 days, and if it doesn't give you the benefits you expected, you simply return it and get 100% of your money back. Even the return shipping is covered by Mitochondria. If you have any questions from today's video, then please feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Otherwise, I hope that you have a great day further, and we'll chat again soon. Cheers.